Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update AdRoll audiences from Shopify events, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update AdRoll audiences from Shopify events, log in to your AdRoll account. Navigate to the Audiences tab on the dashboard. Select the audience you want to update. Click on the Edit button. Locate the Integration section within the audience settings. Choose the Shopify events you want to include in the audience. Map your Shopify events to the corresponding audience criteria in AdRoll. Ensure that all necessary events, like purchases and page views, are selected. Once you've made your selections, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save button to apply the changes. Next, head over to your Shopify admin panel. Go to Apps from the left-hand menu. Find and open the AdRoll integration app. Make sure it's properly connected to your Shopify store. Check that the event tracking is set up according to your audience criteria. After confirming the setup, return to your AdRoll dashboard. Click on the Refresh Audience option. This will sync the selected Shopify events with your AdRoll audience. Monitor the updates to ensure your audience reflects the latest data. Repeat this process if you need to update other audiences in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.